If the infotainment system in your Opel Corsa stops working, freezes, or shows a blank screen, the issue is often caused by a temporary software glitch, low battery voltage, or a connection problem. Since the infotainment unit controls navigation, Bluetooth, media, and phone connectivity, restarting the system can usually restore normal operation without needing a repair. Try these. 1. Restart the infotainment system. Press and hold the power volume button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. 2. Turn the vehicle off and wait. Shut down the car completely, lock it, and wait 3 to 5 minutes before starting it again so the electronic modules reset. 3. Check the infotainment fuse. Locate the fuse box using the owner's manual and inspect the fuse related to the radio or infotainment system. 4. Check Bluetooth and USB connections. Disconnect any connected devices and reconnect them to rule out compatibility issues. 5. Check for software updates. Open the system settings and install any available updates to fix bugs and improve stability.